So I thought some of you guys would get a kick out of this. The column you see in front of you is called a Hendecagon. It's an 11-sided cylinder-ish that is around 6 feet tall, and it sits on a 12-inch Lazy Susan bearing at the bottom, and it's got a 5/16 bearing in the top. And what you can do with it is store up to 187 little bins on it. And that's what I've got it set up to do. Okay, and you can just grab it and rotate it around really easy and stack all your stuff on it. All the positions for each one of the bins has been pre-drilled. As you can see, I don't have them all filled, but the holes do go all the way down to right here, which is too low for a bin actually. The Hendecagon was put together probably in 2008, I think. I've been using it in my main shop ever since. And since I finally got the wood shop put together, after 12 years of tinkering with it, I moved it over here. And eventually this will be filled with all the fasteners that I use. And this file cabinet next to it, that's facing the other way, will store bulk screws for refills. So there you go, the Hendecagon. I find it a really cool solution for putting a whole lot of bins in a really small space, because it's, I don't know, maybe 18 inches wide, 6 feet tall. Works fantastic. Okay, this is what it looks like with all of my current bins loaded up on it. I use my foot at the bottom to spin it, and it works pretty well. Spin it some more. As you can see, it handles the load easily, and it works out pretty well. Thanks for watching.